Hello traders, in this video I am going to talk about the Forex profitable indicator that is giving me very good results, and this is my live account and you can see on the screen. Okay, so currently I am into the trade that is gold into the sell position. So guys, I am basically in the mood of scalping. So on the 15 minute I have received a sell signal. Previously the market was very much ranging, so I didn't bother to enter into the trade. So now I thought, because it's 3:41 p.m. by my time, and after some time the market will be going to merge into another market, so we can expect some volatility on gold. So that's why I'm into the trade, and that's 0.10 lot size, and I'm into the sell position on gold. So guys, this is the indicator that does not repaint in any case. If you don't believe me, then you can get a free trial from me and you can test this indicator for 1 day for exactly for free, no charge, and you can just test this indicator and you can decide either it is good for you or not. Okay, so look at this long ride, a bullish ride that we have seen on gold previously. The gold has moved into the upward direction. After that the market is slow, but guys, today it's Friday and you know that Friday second session is mostly volatile. That's why I am testing the signals from this indicator. Moreover, I have taken some positions yesterday, like Great Britain Pound USD. Yes, this is not based on the indicator, because if I take you towards the Great Britain Pound USD chart, then guys, I have taken two sell positions on Great Britain Pound USD because of the price action, not as per the indicator. Because if you look at the price, then you can completely see that the market has went massively up, and this is the time to get back on Great Britain Pound USD, because I am expecting that the price should be down and maybe it can be reaching the 1.38 levels, and if we will find a more drop, then it can go up to 1.38433. So guys, sellers will take the action into the market. That's my forecast on Great Britain Pound USD. So overall the buying is not a good option at this stage. So yesterday I also profited from sell positions. You can see $25.39.48. And yesterday I also profited from sell on gold as well. So I was using the indicator, so that was completely fine. And you can see even I have taken a buy. So you can take the scalping chances on the 15 minute, when especially when you are talking about the gold, because look at this was a long ride. Sometimes you will be able to catch long rides, and sometimes when the market will be slow like this, then it means that you should not trade. So when the dots are straight like this, it means that you need to stay out of the market, not to be inside the market. So however, prepare yourself good for the swing trading, because if I take you towards the 4-hour picture of this trading indicators, then you can see a magic. Because look, on the 4-hour on EuroCAD, we have a sell signal, the market is down, no problem, and the nothing get repainted in the system. So overall there is no need to worry about it. Look, I have a buy signal on Great Britain Pound JPY. The market is already up, so very good signal. Great Britain Pound AUD, I have received the buy signal, and you can see that strongly the market is up. And guys, trust me, if you have taken a buy position from here, then I think so you must be in a very good, very excellent profit, because this is the 4-hour chart. This is not the 1-minute chart. So there was a chance. There was a good chance. So guys, you can make a very good profit using the 4-hour with this indicator if you are a swing trader. If you are a scalper, then consult the 15-minute chart. However, on the gold, the market is mostly volatile, so that's why I prefer gold on the 15-minute chart. Okay, now look at here. My another position is right now that I have taken is on Bitcoin USD. So sell position is here, and you can see the sell signal is received by the indicator. And second, the price is already so much high, so Bitcoin can go down for some time. So that's why I'm active into this trade as well. So these are the opportunities. Like this indicator does not repaint. Like here it has given a sell signal, but later on the next candle the signal was changed and the next signal appeared. So you can close your previous trade and consider your previous trade as a stop loss, and then you can buy it. Like sell here, then buy signal, and look, this buy is going to recover the loss of the previous loss as well that you occurred on this sell. So while using this indicator, I advise my subscribers to do one thing: make your lot size constant. Do not make a variation in your lot sizes. For example, let's say if your lot size was 0.10 here, and then here, then you made a little bit loss, like $7-10 or maybe $15. Again the market went up and your lot size should be 0.10, not like you were using the one lot size on the previous trade and now you are using the small lot size on the other trade. This will not work. So do trading with the consistent lot size. If your lot size is 0.01, then the next lot size should be 0.1, and then you can see the market is up and it will wipe away all the losses that you were having with the signals. But this signals does not repaint. Now another example on USD CHF, on this candle we received a buy signal, but the next candle pumped down, so it has changed the signal, and then you can see the continuously the market is going down. So this is the beauty, that it will not change this buy signal to the sell signal. It will keep this signal buy active, like you can see on the screen that how it is represented, and the same way it can work. If you don't believe me, you can get a 1-day free trial from me and you can test this indicator and you can understand that how this works. Okay, now look at here on Canadian dollar JPY. I have the buy signal on the 4-hour chart and you can see from how many hours the market is going up. So guys, for example, we had a buy signal here. If you have taken a buy signal here from a buy position from here, then you can believe that how much profit you can get it. So the safe signals, the most powerful, and you will not be going to use a very high lot size. You will be going to make easy money with this trading indicator. That's completely fine. Okay, the third beauty of this indicator, look, the green dots are straight, even these are almost straight, so no trading. When the dots are trending, you can trade. When the dots are straight, there is no need to trade, because this indicators tell you this is the time to stay out of the market. So guys, look at the AUD JPY completely straight. It means that this is not a good time to enter into the trade. So this indicator will highlight you that when to enter the trade and when to exit. So you can also trade without a stop loss with this indicator, because if the signal gets changed, for example, you are into the buy position on your USD at the moment, the market went up, or let me give you another example. For example, I am into the sell position on gold at the moment. So until unless it does not change its pattern to bullish and it does not indicate me a buy signal, I am not going to close my trade. But if it keeps on going down, then I will keep my ride active, and maybe it can be down up to here. So no one knows this, because this is Forex and gold is almost very volatile. So you can take very good long rides with it as well. So for example, look, who know this, that gold was going to be into the upward direction and with this intensity, but it went up. Because if you look at the previous pattern was almost very slow, but suddenly the gold has picked a move and that went into the upward direction. So guys, if you are going to trade the average signal except when the dots are straight, then guys, I think so that no one can be onto the losing side. Everyone can be a profitable trader. So I'm using this indicator very nicely. This is very good and giving me good profits. So guys, if you want to get this indicator, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. You can email me, you can contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp. The links are given in the description of this video below. And moreover guys, if you want to book your coaching sessions with me, if you want to get the expert advisor for all this, you can contact me on official email. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.